Hello, everybody. You can guess what I have here? A Pan Am flight seatbelt. Must be in one of the training videos. Here it is. Close. Pan Am. There it is. Got this from the U.S. Army Navy store. It's a real deal. So, for the fun of it, I will unclip and hear the ASMR of the belt click. There it is. There it is. Pan Am belt click. And we have wonderful straps here. So you just tighten and patent the number. And yep. So here it is by Davis Aircraft Products Incorporated, Northport, New York, FTC 2700 series, patented. Part C of the manufacturing. And so on the buckle, if I can get it undone, there we go. Oh, dropped it, but it's okay. Here we have, if I can get it just right. Somewhat, yeah. FTC 2700, Davis Aircraft Products, Part E of making of the belt. And so, have it, Pan Am belt. You'd rarely see one of these around, and I got one from the U.S. Army Navy store in Downtown Greenville. Here on, located on Lawrence Road, near Wilson's 5 and Dime. Get Pan Am flight belts while they're still there, not knowing how many of these are left in the world. So you can hold a part of history, as I am holding my very own Pan Am. Oh, excuse me. Flight seatbelt by Davis Aircraft Products Incorporated, Northport, New York, FTC 2700. Series patented. Part C and E. It is a super great wonder and part of history of the world. I think everyone will enjoy having their own part of history, as and a big history lover. Alright. Like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Either personalize it while I'm starting the channel, or press to the notification bell clicking on all notifications to get all notifications from me, Benjamin Zachary Brown, here on this wonderful YouTube channel. Alright. Stay good, and thank you for flying with Pan Am.